Okay, so here are the targets. Not too bad. Remember top right I said?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
there.
Except in prone, that's actually 2 misses.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
So you got to get it in the middle?
Yeah, so in that second line.
The second line and in?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, this one is me here. That's not bad.
Yeah, and
almost.
Typically, people shoot better on Charlie. This is the middle target, because if you line up for here in the center, then you start moving your hips around to get way over here, because it's almost a meter difference over there. So
okay.
So it's pretty good. And typically at the Olympics, they say people miss their first target or their last target.
Right.
Because they're so excited and they're just not sure of their first one, but they're so excited on their last one.
Right.
So, oh, pretty good. I think that's ideal shooting. You're always looking to shoot a group, and that's certainly a group there, and this would be kind of in that same area, and here too. So
when someone shoots, they have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, obviously, right? To get all the targets out. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, well, my first time shooting a gun, I really think I did that bad.
I would give you about a 8.2 out of 10.
Okay, 0.2. Notice you give a 0.2.
Yeah.
Greg's a generous guy here, so.
And for attitude.
For attitude, there we go. And the 4 push-ups I gave, so. Well, I really appreciate the biathlon lesson, Greg. Thanks so much for taking the time to join us today. And yeah, I guess I'm a long way from 10,000 hours, but clearly the Paralympians.
I think you've got an eye for it, though. I think you might be a natural.
Good stuff. You heard it here first. I'm a natural at shooting a gun. Don't mess with me when it comes to biathlon. All right, thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. Thanks.
All right, stay tuned for more right here on Shell.